They have Legos.
I like the name tags.
I know the stickers. But can we get the Legos?
Where are you gonna put it in your Lego city?
Yes, we'll have a KFC in our Lego city. Well, mine, I guess. Want to sit with the Colonel? And look at the buttons. They're really cool. That's really cool. But look at the atmosphere. I mean, obviously this has been modern a little bit, but inside the dining room, it has the old panel walls, which we'll go in there in a minute. This is really cool. So they started off as a Harlan gas station, and then he just started making stuff. You know, it's pretty cool. Wow. This is really neat. Harlan Sanders for senator. Right there. Wow. There's the old menu. This is really cool. Oh, cool. Wow. Oh my god, I think my parents had those knives and still do. I think these are the old... Oh wow. The old buckets. You know what's funny? Their Twitter, they're following 11 herbs and 1 Spice Girl. That's hilarious, right?
So it means it equals 11.
Look at this, Amber.
Right?
Look at that.
Right? It equals 11.
Yeah. 11 herbs
Because
and...
you said at least
Oh yeah,
11
10.
plus.
Yeah. But did you see this one?
Yeah. Junior.
The winner of the 2004 Daytona. That's cool.
Or
Oh wow, for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. An American one. That's cool.
oh, look at for Christmas.
What?
But there's more.
What? Oh wow. Look at that. They have Star Wars. And they come down. Remember the sports?
Yeah. Especially at Taco Bell.
Yeah. Wow.
So you know the little tie that he wears, like on his one?
Yeah.
Someone said it looks like a little person with the arms and the legs.
Oh yeah.
So now you can't not think
I know.
that.
It's crazy. You know, I can't remember the last time I had KFC.
It's been a little while.
Yeah.
David Beckham.
That's crazy. And then you have, again, the Star Wars. Wow. Chicken and waffles. They used to have chicken and waffles. Wow.
Cheeto sandwich. Jerry.
Wow. Could you imagine being able to eat with him?
They're playing old commercials.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And they have a map. I don't know, looking backwards. Kentucky. Oh yeah, I remember them saying something about that. Wow. I will say, I've eaten KFC in other countries.
So USA, Canada, Mexico, Bahamas, Germany, Japan
Yeah.
was in 1970s when it opened.
Wow.
Kenya had one from 2011, Italy 2014. We never ate at KFC in Italy.
Mm-mm. Yeah, we did. At the food court.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. That's in Japan.
Oh, those are cute. Oh, look at the box inside.
with their little kites and stuff too. Does it make you want to move there?
So these are the different ones. So United Arab, that's the nice one there.
Yeah.
Peru is J.
They have these everywhere in Japan.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, and oh my, you want to talk about some of the best chicken? That's true. Oh, the World Cup. That's cool.
Well, it has some of these to rotate.
Oh, cool.
That's where all the KFCs are. So we're at the original one.
And then you have Dale Earnhardt. Oh, they have a semi truck and a train.
That's crazy. That's the original with the big one.
I wonder if you ever thought it would be that popular.
You would hope that would be right.
So we have a muscular, but then we have the romantic novel Colonel Sanders, and then the superhero, and then the Mario. Oh yeah, I forgot. So remember those commercials that they were doing it? He's gone. Yeah. Same thing with Norm Macdonald. That's crazy. I can't remember. I remember when Viva played it. It was pretty cool. So just start collecting Pez again.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. All right, let's
Let's
go.
see the other
Yeah.
main picture.
So walking into the main dining room, we run into this original clay bricks. So these are the original to the building. Wow.
The building is
So service with a smile, waitress Leota McBurney shows us a typical 1940s table setting and menu from the cafe.
This is the one of the older many tables, chairs, and couch from the cafe.
Wow.
They're hard rock maple.
And then you have, I'm assuming Leota McBurney. Wow. And that hutch. And then his photo. That's crazy. And then we had the Colonel himself. That's cool.
And then here's the model motel.
This model motel room was placed at the center of the cafe for a reason. Harlan wanted them to market his motel and show how nice his rooms were. By placing it here, anyone using the restrooms or payphone would be able to see it. No phone. Oh, cool. They have a phone room. Wave hi. Wow. Look at this bed, though. This is a nice bedroom.
So they had this in the middle so that way they could see how nice the motels were.
Yeah, because the reputation of hotels back then weren't that great. You only had two rules. Do all you can and do it the best you can. That's such a good mantra to live by. Wow.
Harland always went above normal quality standards. That included the bathrooms in the motel and cafe with white tile and high quality fixtures.
Wow. Yeah, it's a nice bathroom.
So you came in the wrong way.
Oh. And then this is the 1940 site model. It's really nice.
So we're like there, and that was, this is all turned down, so it's not a parking lot, and then that car wash over there, right?
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. The paneling of the cafe was a wormy chestnut. In the 1930s, a blight struck the U.S. and most of the chestnut trees suffered damage. That's nice. I like it. Here's the spice room. Wow. So this is more than 11.
Because I can't tell you the 11.
I know. And here it is. Look to your left. See all those herbs and spices? Imagine you are Harlan Sanders and have all those and more to choose from. And then he decided to make it like this. That's crazy. I know. I like this dining room setup. It's really cool. The pressure cooker.
Above is a copy of a drawing. Colin wanted to obtain his patent to cook chicken bread.
Wow.
So that's a copy of the
It's the vault that they keep the chicken in. The chicken recipe. I'm kidding. I don't know. But this is the equipment that they used. Nothing has really changed. I mean, the efficiency probably has gotten better, but nothing has really changed.
There were no computer timers. During very few periods, it was not unusual to have many pots of chicken going at the same time. So he knew each hand with 3 of them.
That's crazy. But like, think about like our kitchens today. Nothing has really changed much. I don't think.
We had large openings in the walls so customers could watch the attention to detail.
Wow. I know. We're so spoiled now. Look how old that toaster is. And then you have the dishware down below. We need that sink in our house. I don't know why, just because
And then the heater that dries it.
Yeah. And here are the old wait staff, red and white striped uniforms. They were used from the 1960s and early 1970s. Really cool. And then this is the kitchen. And then there's Amber. Oh, they have collectibles? Oh, that's cool. They have the merch. I ate here where it all began. I like it. Finger-licking good. Amber can find socks anywhere. And then they have a pen as well. Oh, I like that cup. That's cool. And then here's his bust. Before he was a colonel, he was a man on a mission that would involve hard work, dedication, and chicken. Where other men would have given up, this man would succeed in making a reality. The fruits of his labor, Kentucky Fried Chicken.
His name, Colonel Harlan Sanders.
And this is the bust of the man.
Oh, look at, you can scan him.
Oh, and you can scan it. So make sure you pause it. Nope, let me get it focused. Focus. And then this is his suit. Yeah. This is nice suit.
Be recognized for his business. He was asked to be on an early television panel show.
Okay, so when you come in, you can actually sign up and say where you came from as a guest book. That's pretty cool. That's nice. That's right in. I know the glare is pretty bad. But Amber's filling out our information. Echo Travel Adventures. That's really neat. The glare's
Adventures wrong too.
glare's bad, but we have our info in.
Almost A-D-V-E.
And then submit. Thank you for signing the book. You're welcome. That's pretty cool.
Thanks for visiting Corbin. There it is.
Oh look, we're famous. I'm just kidding. That's cool.
It shows you like all this stuff to
All the
do.
different, yeah. All right, we're gonna head back to the car.